All right, here we're back with the one box break. We've got Panini 3-count, WWE, 3 cards, and let's see what we get here. 2024 Panini 3-count WWE. Let's get something good. See what we got here. Something new. Okay. All right. This little box here. Recount. All right. Open up like this. All right. First card. Now we've got. Wow, we've got a downtown. All right. Rhea Ripley from Australia. The Down Under, mate. Sydney. Down Under with the kangaroo. Wow. Rhea Ripley. Oh, all right. This could be some. First downtown. Wow. All right. Look at that. It's a downtown Rhea Ripley. That's cool. There we go. It's cased. Interesting. All right. So there's 2 more then? Okay. Ooh, the suspense here in this one. Here we go. What is this? Huh? What do we got here? We got WWE. What is this? Yeah. We got an auto. We've got an auto of. Who was it? Again, I don't know. Michael Hayes. Okay, legendary autographs. Michael Hayes with the auto. Legendary autograph. Michael Hayes. All right, interesting. I don't really remember him. The Fabulous Freebirds were rough, rowdy, and rambunctious, and ready to rumble. But Michael Hayes was their illustrious leader, always believing what he said, even Sean was guided. All right. Got an auto. That's cool. Very interesting. So we got the downtown of Rhea Ripley. That's a hit. It's gotta be, right? I mean, these are nice. Then we've got Michael Hayes, the legendary autos. All right. And the last one here. Let's see what this is. This is the last card. It's only 3. Let's see what this is. What do we got? Wow. 7 through 15. 15 out of 7. 15 out of 7. Oh, here's something. What is this? Auto and patch. Trick Willie. No way. Trick Williams. Ronald Carmelo Hayes. Hayes was so intense in one of his steel cage match. Hayes replaced one Hayes trick shot for his signature win. All right, wow, this is so it's an auto. Trick Willie Williams with a little patch there. 7 out of 15. Well, it's not a bad box, this one, actually, I would say, right? I mean, this is not bad. Wow. Trick Willie. We got Trick Willie. We got the Michael Hayes. And then we got the Downtown of Rhea Ripley. That is nice. All right, that's your little Panini 3 count WWE. Thanks for joining. See you next time.